So we are going to solve this problem. If fx equals to limit n approaching to infinity x raised to the power 2n minus 1 upon x raised to the power 2n plus 1, then find fx. इसको हमें डिफरेंट स्टेजेस में करना होगा, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू जब वेरी करेगी यहाँ पे, तो दिस थिंग x raised to the power 2n will vary. तो मेनली वी हैव टू लुक फॉर दिस थिंग कि x raised to the power 2n हाउ डज इट बिहेव, ये कैसे बिहेव करते हैं इसको देखना पड़ेगा. तो हम सबसे पहला केस वी विल टेक केस 1 कि x इज आइदर लेस देन 1 और x इज मोर देन 1. लुक, in that case x raised to the power 2n, as n will approach to infinity, this is n, this is x raised to power 2n. So if x is less than minus 1 or more than 1, this will approach to infinity. So in this case what we will do is, limit n approaching to infinity, we will divide numerator as well as denominator by x raised to the power 2n. Now put the limits. So 1 minus this thing, as this thing will approach to infinity, 1 upon infinity is 0. So in the first case, when x is less than minus 1 or x is more than 1, we are getting fx equal to what? 1. So our fx is this, when x is either less than 1, minus 1 or more than 1. Now case 2. When x lies in between minus 1 and 1, then what about the fx? In this case x was either less than minus 1 or more than 1. In this case now x is lying in between minus 1 and 1. So limit n approaching to infinity, x raised to the power 2n, this will approach to 0. How? Take any number in between this. Let's say 1 by 2. So when you will raise the power 2n, raised to the power 2n, or let's say minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 2n, as n will approach to infinity, this thing will approach to what? 0. This as well. So straight way we can put it here. This thing x raised to the power 2n will approach to 0. From here we can see this 0 minus 1 upon 0 plus, and we are getting minus 1. Now case 3. When x is either minus 1 or plus 1, in that case what will happen? Look, 1 raised to the power, since here it is 2n, means 1 minus 1 square to the power n, or 1 square to the power n. This is 1 minus 1 square, 1 raised to the power n. N is approaching to infinity. So what will happen? This thing, in this case, this will be equal to 1, and therefore we are getting 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, so we are getting 0. So finally, note this, note down. Finally, what we are getting is our fx. What is our fx? Fx equals to 1 when x is less than -1 or x is more than 1. Fx is -1 when x lies in between -1 and 1, and fx is 0. Fx is 0 when x is plus minus 1. So this is the final answer. I think you have understood the point. So do like, subscribe and comment, and keep watching.